Okay, we're going to do a quick review on Modesso triple blade razors. This is what they look like. Is the product? I know you get these at the dollar store, but I'm not sure if you get them. You don't buy them anyplace else or not. Because I've bought Modesso products at the dollar store. I haven't bought them anywhere else so far. Okay. Triple blade disposable shaving kit. Lubricating strip with vitamin E to help irritation. Triple through blade alignment allows you to shave close with one stroke, and quickly rinse clean. Pivoting head with anti-drug blades that glide across your delicate skin. Micro matrix guard gently preps hair for a close shave. And push down on bottom to release cartridges. You get four. Get the razor blades that's already on it. Yeah. You get two. Four more razor heads to replace the one that's on it, the original one. I've seen a strip. I've seen a lubricating strip. It must have fell out somewhere. I don't know where it went. But that's a pretty good little razor. You got a button right here. You got the button here where you can release the razor blades and put the new head on. Got a nice little handle. Got a nice little handle where you shave with. Use to shave your legs with and your armpits. And it's pretty good little razor. Been using it for about a week. It does a good job. So far I ain't had too many problems with nicks and cuts shaving my legs with it. But this is the Modesso triple blade disposable shaving kit.